Just finished installing my BRP 10-inch subwoofer box. Got the Rockford Fosgate R2-D2s, audio control LC2I controller, Rockford Fosgate 500x1 amp. If you have a stock head unit, you're gonna have to tap into these rear speaker wires. They connect up there. Then from this side, they go to your controller. The controller, then they go to your amp. I connected the power wire from the amp for the battery to the passenger side, all the way down here, ran it along the whole side, ran it here, went around to the back, and connected it to the amp. The sub is pretty low profile, and when you put it down, you still got a little bit of room on the bottom. Overall, the bump's pretty good with the top on. I gotta see what happens when the top comes off.